Hello, welcome to Should You Microwave It? I am Matthew McCarthy. Today, we are going to be doing a fire hazard and some popcorn. Hold on. So, see this? Yeah, I'm gonna fold it a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fold it. Fold it. There we go. So, put it into the microwave, which is Saint Hannah the First. How long should I put this in here for? 2, 2, 2. It's gonna take a while, so. Recipe claims that we should be getting some pops right around now. Boom, there it is. From previous experience, I can confirm that the popcorn released is tasty and it is good. It also fills a whole lunch bag. Surprised it hasn't gave away the popcorn kernels yet. I think I saw something. Nope. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I cut it off a second early because it didn't start yet. Oh wow, that didn't give away. That's a first. So, maybe wondering, should you microwave popcorn in a lunch bag? Yeah. Good idea. That's it for Should You Microwave It? I'm Matthew McCarthy.